Is this real leather? Otherwise it's gonna slice straight through it.
It's big.
Alright, let's try this. No, it's just a toy.
I thought I was gonna die. That was so bad. You were like really panicking too. Which way are we going?
You'll figure it out
Down.
soon enough.
Down
Get
and
my kiss.
down and across. First.
Do I have
With a bit of ingenuity.
to hold his back? Like
Yes,
that
a
ring?
drop would be great. But you know, if it feels uncomfortable, just let it go. Rules are made to be broken, you know?
So,
Like using a chainsaw to chop the rope. That's breaking all the rules.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Whilst I'm here,
where are you jumping?
I was going to chop the ponytail off actually. It's real leather, otherwise it's gonna slice straight through it.
It's big.
Alright, let's try this. No, it's just a toy. That's right. No, it's just a toy.
I think about us calling. I think about us falling through the dark night and through time towards the light when you'll be mine. I think about us, I know the dawn is for us. I dream about us, I dream